Good morning from beautiful Boca de Tomatlan. Today I'm hiking with my family and we're going to do a beach hike that starts here at Boca and goes to several different small beaches. We'll probably stop at Las Animas for some lunch, and then we're going to hike through to Quimixto and go up to a pretty cool waterfall up there called Cascada Cuale. So I'll be taking some video along the way and sending the drone up to get some really cool shots. This is a very fun little fishing village. It's the last spot you can drive to on this south side of Bay of Banderas, and then from here you have to water taxi or hike along to get to all the little villages. You got lots of fishermen and water taxis starting up, and all the birds are out looking for a meal this morning. Going across this cool suspension bridge to go across the river. Oh, I'm videoing you doing this. The river is not deep, especially down at the very end of the mouth, so you could just wade across if you wanted, but this just looked like too much fun to resist. Oh, we gotta pass the guard dogs here to get off the bridge. Watch out for the guard dogs. Hola. Some of the trail at the beginning is paved, and then a lot of it is just dirt and rocks, but pretty tame altogether. So we are reaching Playa Colomitos, the first beach you come to after Boca de Tomatlan. And it's a very small beach, gets a little crowded, but very pretty with the rocks on each side and the beautiful water.
Sé que tú estás arrepentida por los momentos que perdí al lado tuyo. Solo contigo, mi amor. Extraño tus labios y tu mirar, piel morena hermosa, olor de mar. Oye, costeñita, te voy a besar al frente de la playa, qué buen lugar. Momentos tan ricos para recordar. Es que todo contigo es tan real. Hay cosas que no se pueden contar, que a los suegros no le van a gustar. Enamorado que se me nota lo que siento al verte. Dame la luz pa' que te bese, babe, que en la cabaña y probamos suerte y te besé. Ya las sábanas lo sabían cuando esa boca gritaba Ave María. Contigo se sueña de día y por la noche sabes pa' qué venía. Nadie más me eres como las demás. No es porque estás aquí, pa' ti sin mentiras. Yo lo sé, mamá, no eres como las demás. No me importa nadie más, solo yo quiero de ti, enamorado.
We're coming down to our second beach that you come to, which I saw on the map I thought as Playa Emma. There's also something that says Madagascar, so maybe another term for it. Very pretty beach. Some really cool waves breaking in the distance. Christian.
Camino, baby, me imagino, son cosas del destino. Hay que tenerle fe, me dice Vivi, cántala entera, pa' que sea grande a los Guantanamera. Que lo más bueno es lo que nos espera. Soy tan feliz de que sea la primera. Oye, nadie más, no eres como las demás. No es porque estás aquí, pa' ti sin mentir.
And here we're at our next beach, Playa La Troza.
Nadie más, solo yo quiero de ti, de ti, de ti. Enamorado de ti. Solo en la playa vamos a desvestirnos. Baby, te quiero decir. Y yo no te olvido, mami, nunca te olvido a ti.
I believe this is going to be Playa Caballo, the last big beach before Las Animas. Just a lot of nice, beautiful sand, pretty water. Las Animas. Okay, so we just took a break here in Las Animas, stopped and had some beers, some pina coladas, some margaritas, ceviche, tacos, all good stuff. And now we are going to continue down the beach and then head a couple more miles up to Quimixto and up to the waterfall. It's down to 3 of us. Others are going to wait for us in Quimixto. 8 in through the water. Ooh, that's refreshing. It's been pretty warm out here today. That is nice. refreshing. Very refreshing. Okay, we're gonna jump. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, we made it down from the waterfall, and now we are just walking down through Quimixto to catch a water taxi that we're actually going to take back to Puerto Vallarta. Say goodbye to Quimixto. We are heading past Los Arcos, beautiful formations, which is a popular place for people to come and snorkel, see all the birds on the rocks and the beautiful rock formations.